Hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. Ray give us a very good brief insight into this daily session and the coming weeks. I like it. Love it. How everyone is doing right now? How everyone is doing? Did your trades are printing? Did your trades are printing? If your trades are printing, that means you are practicing, you are observing, and you are gaining knowledge, and you are trying that to learn. So, mean all good. You will have bad, you will have good, and that's part of the process. During this process, if you want to limit the bad, you can lose a very small amount of money and very nothing, just manage your risk properly. And if you are managing your risk properly, if you doesn't use this liquidation range that we are in and that you trade on the future perpetual, then you are not going to lose money. You will pay a funding fees a daily, but yeah, certainly not losing money. Still in love with this channel at the moment. So, is this web still doesn't work, It doesn't work. Even the reward. So, yeah, we'll wait the support and see what they want to tell to the clients that have a yearly premium membership, and we'll see what is going on. We'll see what is going on. So, yeah, looking bravely at this current channel. Just want to change. No, I have this color already, so let's try to make this color. Okay. So, oh, I have this. Alright, let's place this here. Up. We are still playing into this demand and into this supply at the above. Oh. La. Easy trade. Absorption, rotation, rejection, rotation, scalp, and swing, So, like I said, we want on this double golden pocket that to have your swing, okay? On the swing, we're looking at the 88% and let me give you this wellies. Là, we want to have a little bit more confirmation, okay? So 88% to the 136% is what we are looking at for your validation for your swing, okay? Currently. Oh. It's not only that you are going to get full in a short or full in a long position just simply because you are breaking this swing pips, okay? But remember that the low validation at the 136, okay, positive and negative, okay? So if you want that to swing, you have that to bring validation, okay? If it doesn't bring a validation, then don't be surprised that you are going to sleep without having a stop loss and then waking up with some surprise, okay? Where is my Excel chart? Take the screenshot for this Twitter before. So yeah. Up, Rom, are you online? Because you are always asking me what I'm saying on the live. So when you did ask me about my delta, okay, colon, and my volume profile colon, just yeah, CPR, okay, and do the setting. Delta profile of CPR. I'm on monthly and developing one, and boom, okay, short numbers. Avoid with big numbers and sync with chart. Okay, I'm on tick 10. Okay, just simply. If I'm using the weekly, same. If I'm using the daily, same. Okay, the difference between why I am indeed using monthly or weekly, Monday and Friday, I want to have my weekly. I want that to see what has developed during the week. Okay, when I have some area of confluence, at the first I will show you. Okay, here you have your daily. On your daily, you have your POC here and you are getting registration here. Okay, you are agree? You can see this value area up, value area height candle, bid and ask imbalance. Okay, fine. I'm on a 1 hour, just 1 minute. Let me get into the 15 minutes. Okay, so you have the POC at this. Okay, we are looking at it at the time. Okay, we look Ethereum with POC at 1,800. Okay, and then here you can see this strong imbalance that did aggressive break the price below this value area high. Okay, tack, losing value area high. Then open candle here and the rules of the two candle, one candle, two candle bar. Okay, what you are looking at this? What you are looking at this? You are simply from 20, sorry, we are only there. From 1,800 to this 1,800, 1,788 is that just above this range from this 1,800, you want that to see consolidation above the view, okay? Even if you ever did going to see some kind of perking and securing, okay? But then just adjust and look at that where you can even spot this monthly, okay, and look at that you have 1,800 the value area height on your volume profile, okay, but this value area height is currently following as the lowest point of your VWAP, okay. You have your VWAP and then you have also your volume profile, and this volume profile is from the think sync on the 10 and developing on the months, okay. So very good understanding about it will help you that to not get naked during trades. Okay. So what you are able that to also see. What? No. Up. Okay. All right. Not the cluster. Back on this. Okay. What you are able to see, okay, is that on your daily you are below your POC, okay, and right now you are currently going to search the VWAP. Why you want to search the VWAP? Why you can to predict this current trends, okay? Simply because you have a lot of momentum at the moment, okay, and when you're looking at this 320 million, 200 million, 150 million, 98 million, 88 million, 59, 94, 70, and still bam, decreasing again, okay? You just short a little bit of this long trying to make them come, and you just continue the current tendency, okay? Tendency, as you can see from 19, it's on what this 19p. I don't know what time zone. Yeah, okay, from this 7 p.m. to this 9 p.m. you have seen the tendency on Ethereum that has been uptrending, okay? And after this rejection and this absorption at the market auction from the New York, okay, from the New York session, you did so price up, making rotation and trending down. Tendency as reversed upside to downside, okay? So when you are looking at the price, when you are developing this daily, could hit your VWAP, and this VWAP, like I say, that's also your monthly, okay, your monthly value area low on your volume profile, okay? What? Simply just looking at this daily developing, okay? You have noticed, okay? You will tell me yes, but JR, look, we have some positive delta and some. That's bullshit. You have noticed, okay? So let's check a little bit more and trying to give a little bit more confluence on this. Okay, so let's take this. Let's take this weekly. Okay, you did lose on the weekly developing. You did lose the poke that are here at the above at 18, 30, 20 somethings. Okay, 40 somethings. Sorry, and then that was on the daily. On the daily poke. That's beautiful, but you are developing a session on the last day of the week. Okay, on the last session market of the week. I did believe that you need to have a little bit more confluence. Okay, so when you are looking at your developing week, you can see that your poke is much more lower, and that where you are right now, and that you think that you are developing some good kinds of consolidation and exchange, is it still no things on this weekly? As you can see, exchange still zero, and you are currently facing on the value area height lost at the above. Okay, you are outside. Right now you are inside, but before you has been with the poke, you are outside of it. You can see a color from this 1838 and the above. You are out of the value from your from the delta. So that's on the weekly. Okay, let's take a look at this monthly. Monthly, where are we? Monthly, practically the same, you know. It's why it's very interesting. Because if you did remember what I post, the line, I traced the white line on the chart and even just posted it on Twitter, but did post on the Discord, on my channel yesterday. You can see the market this. The trends for the accumulation and the trends that to break above here for have continuation and that to have attempt to reclaim the area of the stop. Okay, so what you can see right now, you want some things different. Triple. You want to click. You want to make a big start. So let's looking at this. Let's looking at this triple. Loving what you are doing since week. Let's look at it. If you want that to size, a good size, you want that we hold this triple. Okay? You want that we hold this area. Because if we don't, then we are losing currently after it this consolidation. Okay? Easy that to see. You can see from this 1700, 1750, we did market consolidation. Okay, and at the above, we have excess supply. You have big players and exchange dumping, distributing, taking profit on you, and doesn't have enough monkey that to buy stronger and having strong longs that to pushing the price hike. Okay, so if we want that this taking a good long and doing some men's line at the same time, Roman, Alex, Laura, who's the fuck is Jay Morena? Okay, yeah, and remember you arrived in December, right? Okay, I remember you. You are a little bit quiet too much, that's why I still, okay, so you want that we hold this, okay, so Ripple, we have this VWAP, and as a VWAP, you can break short, look at that we see here. We did have this range, that market kind of consolidation. We pushed it, we squeezed this all of the gains, and we liquidated them. Long arrive on this top and buyer, so let's make some fuckery. Okay, and here we started to attract a little bit buyer, and we stopped at sellers and short position that to break short this area. Okay, we could break short about it, but this doesn't happen. So you can see that we still did here and here, red line. This week, all of my week, okay, that you can see all of this week, you did pursuit inside, you did making consolidation, and you send it. Put a like because we love it, okay? And because that's the three market types and that's the power of your market profile, okay? That's why you are loving it, because you are able to be brutal on your entry trade. Right now, because I'm also explaining for you, because you are Jay-Z, you're on the live, so that's very cool. I like it, you know. I like to see you and Alex. Alex can be a girl. So Alex, sorry, but Alex can be also called for girls, I think. Okay, anyway, let's pause. So we doesn't know who is Alex. No, okay, right. here, what you want to see a triple. If doesn't fuck your long, same like yesterday. Yesterday you did get good target, same as always. And what is fuck your swing, okay? But you still close it profit. So that's thank you for the risk management that you really make a change. I really love it. I start to like you. And remember, we are not there. Okay? So what that you want when you are seeing this triple is that when you have your lowest position and what the fuck, alright, yeah, I'm on this exo, okay. If I want it's on that one I have to use the fibs. So when you are currently here, what you will see is that from this lowest points at 1775, okay, is that to take your fibs. And when you are placing this aggressive stack making reversion at these trends, okay, you will then mark, okay, with your fibs, you will start to level up your sell, okay, your stop loss, that to close it in profit. And as much longer as you are leveling, okay, up, you move it at 136, you move it at 236, price come reclaim VWAP, and even if you are faking a little bit above, but we should the reaction, okay, at the first. Wow, allez, come on and level up. Let's roll for it. So I'm marking at the same time with the Twitch. You will see a row on the live, on this live recorded. Much more easy to see level because this again make us pay the fucking subscription on this Plenium and still aren't able to put a fucking error or that to make us to make some grow on this fucking exo chart. Right? We wanted to develop a software. Okay? We want to do it. So let's continue forward. We are looking at this, you increase, you level up your stop loss and you stop at this 236, 340. And you stay clean because as the first, you want that to be enabled, that to see reaction here. And when you will see, oh fuck off, how we do it. When you will see a reaction here, then you are still able, okay, a reaction here on this lowest point that has been here, 1818 to here currently, okay? You have this currently here at 1800, okay? So when you are leveling it, you are securing. And even if the price is faking out, Jay-Z, if it's faking out, okay, it's come here, it's trying to taking out, you don't give a fucking fuck, you are selling profit, bam, even if it's taking you out, you see if we are building here on a daily, and then you are looking at your confluence, and but this, from the daily developing to the weekly developing, are we having much more negative or on the area, on your volume profile and on your delta? We are then developing, and I'm going to tell you, even fucking shark champions can't and don't say these things. He will tell you, previous daily, blah, 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 blah. You're not fucking looking at these fucking mathematic numbers that are the pre-mondial. I doesn't fucking care about the previous daily or the previous what. What is important is what I'm building, is the data that are current and that are accumulating and that are making the change. What? If Daniel looking at this live stream, you're gonna get mad. Okay, right. So you are able to see him looking at this change. Spot the change. Rome, Jay, Alex, spot this change on volume. We are trying to increase, okay, on this Dempel 88, 59, 94. We try to reclaim 106 million. We are following on this top of this, on the top of this VWAP, and it's where Jay-Z have to click. It's where Jay-Z have to click, okay? But are Jay-Z going to click right now at the reclaim on this VWAP? That is another question. So if you are looking on the reclaim of this VWAP, what you are able to see is that on this candle, okay, on this candle here, very area, low, boom, you did balance it, 250,000, 2 million, tac, we gain, but looking at 5.6 million to 226, boom, we are trying to maintain it. But look, what is developing. This candle do not count. You have one more candle after and a second one candle, and you will look at it, You want the domination from long and short, but also depending if you're on looking at spot. Okay, you want that to have a complete domination if you want to long it. Okay, at the next following two candles, holding area and still sending. Okay, because right now if you are just entering long here, you directly have on this 1000 on this 1000 on this 1000 1000 what 832, you have this current area that sellers and aggressive short, they are waiting for you, and at the opposite side you have here they are trying, because it's a previous area that they come here, so they are trying to protect. They are trying to protect. Are we still pushing up, or are we complete domination will come slowly during the New York session. Okay, that's why I say you have the pre-open of the New York session, you will have the middle session, and you will have the pre-close. Okay. Jay-Z did understand that at the pre-close, sometimes you can have a beautiful acceleration from the upside or from the downside. Okay, depending of how you will react from here. What they are doing. Wow, you love to see it, huh? You love to see it. Tell me that you love to see it. Yeah, but not so much. Look at that. Look at that. You did increase. And so what after it? You start to have some contract panic close and taking profit already. Okay? When you are looking at this delta, from 48 million down 10 million and start to neg. Are we strong yet here? Are we strong yet here? You want to have a little bit more than this, okay? Look at this. You have 106 million volume. And if you are comparing 106 million volume, but if you are comparing the previous one here at 320, you get a 40 million positive on your delta, okay, 48 million, while at the opposite hands, you have 2.1 million delta. You want to see a little bit much more things, okay? So, the long legs up on this. Yeah. Wow. Love to see it, love to see it. And you doesn't hear because you have no music. You cannot hear the music that I listening right now. That's going on with the trades. That's, you are in perfect harmony. And, yeah. What I'm going to see, okay, let's take a look at your bitcoins, okay? Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Change this, change that. Okay, monthly. I have the wow, okay, but I'm still on 1 hour. Up. Be careful when you are trading. Always verify that you are on the good time frame. Don't get yourself burned for very bad things, Oh yeah, aggressive boom here, as we can see. Up here, beautiful and following. Even here started to have small rejection. Here, beautiful and small rejection. But look at this breaking above. Okay, bam! And that is one of the videos that I make on the dream market type. Okay, and if you are looking this video today, you are very grateful because on the video I really explained it that when we are exploding, you are printing a 1K PNL. Okay, on this Bitcoin. I want to see a little bit more. Yeah. Okay, so tac channel, tac channel, tac. Yeah, okay. That's cool. Some of very fakery, And Jay-Z, I'm gonna tell you, boy. I'm gonna tell you, Alex too. If we are holding this VWAP, if we try to find momentum on the VWAP, you're gonna send, boy. You're gonna take 29,400, boy. Okay? At the opposite, if you are breaking it, hey, I would like that to remember you. You are making a pentoshida. Okay? Wow. Which have a bug. Okay, let's do it again. So, you are making a pentoshi, boy. Okay? This is a pentoshi servant. Okay, you love pentoshi because that's money, easy breakout, short, fake movement. The first one, you swing, you get out, you print, and you rotate your position. So yeah, you very love it. Okay, I'm showing you on this here. pentoshi. Okay, what I did here, what else? tac. I'm on my pentoshi. Okay, I'm on my pentoshi. This is the week. Yes, this is the week. Okay, so la. Wow, 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 wow. Incredible. Technical analysis are working, JR. But of course, if you are not done that to take call on a disbelief at every single fake out, you then know how to trade this, okay? And if you are looking at this, then you can eventually, tac, tac, tac. A, B, C, D, E, okay. Tac, okay, so, I didn't really look the look of these things, okay? Wait, I have an entry on, yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Because if we entry on this, like right now, normally you are faking out like this, okay? And then, bah! Wow! 23! Right. But. Let me, looking at really what, I enter this, okay, so, I have this current, Jesus, 1, 2, 3. I don't like this zigzag, but, this, okay. No, I really don't like this zigzag, but, yeah, that's, you know, that's very kind of them, but, yeah, so, faking out, taking, these things, from this, both style, okay? Currently, as you can see on some reviews here, price when attempting, okay, here like this is retraced, we make this W. W generally it's from taking out, okay, as you can see here, and boom, W. Did you have a push by exchange taking all out and all out? That's why your stop loss generally you have to be where to be in profit and not at break even. If you're placing at break even, you have to be above, and even if you are above this, you trade same like GR. You don't have a fucking stop loss. And you don't have a fucking liquidation. Right? We love that to hear this. Okay. So yeah, currently, you know, my fake out here, So for me, 1, 2, 3, 4, and up. Yeah, generally we are here. Did we fake out a little bit? That to send, or did from here we start to wow? Someone clicked sell a little bit strong. What the man did don't. Very, very easy. Okay? So I'm trying to make you all little bit more comfortable. So during every single live stream, you know, don't get too much pressure on yourself. Okay? What we did have? Not sure you are available. You're on your computer. Alex, you're on some kind of party at the moment, I do think. Jay-Z, yeah, okay. So, currently, maybe Andrew want to say some things or anyone else also, because I do complete very fast the stack and the text of Gray, and then just simply, yeah, you know, avoid every kind of disbelief. And Gray did make a very brave and good so okay. Okay, but if everyone aren't here, you just simply, okay, and please screenshot these two feeds right now, okay, screenshot these two feeds. If you are screenshotting these two feeds that I'm marking here, then just don't get too much headache and don't get shocked inside, okay, don't get shocked inside. You are on a session, New York session, and what could result from this New York session is that you will have a swing, okay, from the feeds, that you will have a swing. Okay. Just this. That's just the whole matters, okay? I'm on a 30-minute time frame, so let the session develop. You know, being able to click on the right level. Oh yeah, we'll then see you later, everyone. Okay. Right, just so the question of Jay-Z asking if have Pentoshi on Ethereum. So I will looking at and I will tell you right now, your Pentoshi on Ethereum. That well, sorry. That's currently not the same area. Wow, wow. That's currently not the same, Jay-Z. Currently not the same. You have this Pentoshi, but this Pentoshi, in the past, this Pentoshi taking a much more bigger that to play. Okay, longer that to play. Okay. As the first on Ethereum, Pentoshi is currently trying to make everyone on disbelief all the time. And as you can see, you have also a channel here, but then you are breaking short. And I'm telling you something is that when you are seeing this kind of channel, okay, when you have something like this, Jay-Z, okay, a trending down, okay, this currently means that we have a breakout at the upside, okay. So Jay-Z, but if you have at the opposite, a channel, okay, that are trading vertically, you will have a bearish movement that when breaking, faking out, will plunge back. Okay? So currently, to reply very fast your question, yes, we did a kind of Pentoshi on your Ethereum. Okay? When you are looking at the top of the pattern right now, you have a larger Pentoshi. Okay, as you can see, price is trying to break short above it and then have some kind of recovery. After that, we have this parallel channel descending and giving technical analysis that is will break by the upside. Why? Simply because I explained it you. Okay, you take a channel that's vertically ascending, that's a bearish one up down. At the opposite, you have that one, and then when you are trading, descending, you will have have a momentum to break above. Okay, simply. So answering your question, yes, we did have a small triangle and Pentoshi. Okay, I will looking at the 3 hours, and I will then telling you a little bit. Wow. Okay, telling you a little bit more about this JZ. Not even sure that this is still on this. Yeah, currently still inside. Okay. So when I'm saying that all is just a giant pattern, no one is understanding the fact of what is doing currently on. You know, that's just current giant pattern. Look at this. You have the 3 fingers of Batman. Batman saying fuck off to you. Okay, and standing this. You have shoulders of Batman. That's it's an inverted Batman. Okay, we want to have shoulders. It's mean up only, but doesn't of course not. Okay, you can have this trade break out or coming back here. You are on the 50%. You stop and you break a little bit, or you then just rebound and you make it happen. Wow! Hooray! We are going to send to 11K. Happy Christmas, everyone in this disbelief for 2023. But the same as everyone calling zero and so much very lowest yet area. So yeah, that's my point for Ethereum and for Bitcoin, Jay-Z. And if you want, I will just boom tag. So much feed, my god. Okay. Yeah, clean. Okay, that's clean. So if you want that the golden pocket, okay. Okay, sorry. Trying to make clean. up the 100 I will okay, so doesn't understand why people are so much bearish and so much bullish. So for me, that's just, we are playing in a large pattern. We are just giving trade, scalp, and swing on the good level of the fields. And if you hit, you just swing and you retrace. You are taking 50%. This 50% is also 88% that giving swing. So yeah, up and up and up and up and until that you break short above to the next higher golden pocket or to the below the lowest golden pocket. So that's really the fact is what I said on this Discord today. People, government, banking, blah 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 blah. Of course, yes, but the fuck, print money, kids, print money. Doesn't fucking care about all of this. Print money. Wow. Of course that if you doesn't print money and you get liquidated or sell stop, it's because you just took too much money. Make your money go out the first and then you are not scared to lose this money. If I have to use this kind of break-even SL or whatever every time same like you all did, my god, will hand poor. The fuck. So yeah, you're on this currently 50% of pattern now between these two and you're ranging, okay? Just, you range and you're just, taking it and So what you can determine on your on the highest point you have 2000 and on your lowest points at the moment this reversal pivot here at 1300, but before it J you have 1600, okay, and you are just between, okay, so you are taking the scalp between and you are just taking swing at the exit, okay, very 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 easy. So yeah, that has been for the Ethereum, for the Bitcoin, and just completing a little bit of what Grey gives to everyone. Not some things that are too crazy. And I will stop this recording now. That then easy to upload it on YouTube. See you back on the Discord, everyone. Hope that you enjoyed it. Don't forget to be thankful to Grey and his time that he gave to you, just some kind of respect and yeah. See you. Let's back for it.